Hi kids, watercolors. Let's learn color names. Purple color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, red color, violet color, pink color. Kids, in this video we will trace letter A, B, C, D, A to Z. A, F for apple. B, B for ball. C, C for cat. D, D for doll. Light green color. E, E for eagle. F, F for fish. G, G for goat. H, H for horse. Brown color. I for ice cream. J, J for juice. K, K for kangaroo. L, L for lion. Purple color. M, M for mango. N, N for nest. O, O for orange. P, P for parrot. Green color. Q, Q for queen. R, R for rose. S, S for sun. T, T for tiger. Red color. U, U for unicorn. V, V for van. W, W for well. X, X for xylophone. Y, Y for yo-yo. Z, Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.